Every woman always wants to look beautiful. You need to know the steps from the beginning to the end where the cosmetics needs to be used so that the look on your face can be maximum. According to a professional makeup artist, here are the steps that need to be followed so as not to misuse in makeup. Here is the rule. First, use a moisturizer to keep the skin from dryness. Let the moisturizer soak into the skin while massaging the face before applying the other. Second, apply facial creams to make the face roll so that makeup can be long lasting. Third, apply foundation on the face to cover up deficiencies in the face. The best way to apply it can be with a makeup sponge. Fourth, cover with concealer if there are eye bags, a thin nose, blots of acne, etc. If your facial skin is clean, you might not need this. Fifth, cover with powder until it looks fresher and covers the luster of the face. 6. Just put eyeshadow on the eyelids. It's up to the style like what you want. 7. Use eyeliner. Eyeliner makes your eyes sharper. If you use liquid eyeliner, leave it to dry. 8. Clip eyelashes and apply mascara. Mascara makes the eyes more beautiful. Do not apply mascara before eyeliner because it will damage the makeup of your eyes. Then, use blush on. For a thin face effect, use a brown or dark blush on your cheekbones and pink or reddish for a fresh impression. Finally, polish your lips with favorite lipsticks. It's finished. That's the right steps to apply facial makeup so you can look beautiful by your own makeup.